Hello everybody, my name is Ziwei Li, and this is the evaluation that I made during last several weeks. And this is my website, and this website mainly talks about how to let more students become active online learners. And here's home tabs. And this is the introduction of me. My major is accounting, and I'm a junior student and studying Fisher Business of College. Fisher College of Business. And this is a short introduction of my majors. And I insert this picture. It's really funny. I think if you are a business student, you will familiar with all the teachers shows in the pictures. And these pictures were made by several of my classmates. It's really funny. I put it here just because it's about Fisher, so I put it here. And also the videos talk about the future paths of the accounting. And also here's some posts for what I've learned from this course. For this part, I just put some useful tips when we making notes, since making notes is really important. So I put the main strategy here to get everybody to know how to taking notes in a fast way. And also for this part, this course introduces us a very useful tools. The Trello is a really effective planning management, and this is the introduction of steps how to make online planning. And this is the picture of my schedule for a week, and this is my personal suggestion for e-learnings and how to do effective learning, such as just doing the assignment first. Don't leave the online class assignment until last minute, so you can make sure that you can get the point for the course. And also this part is the article I found from the website, and tell you how to have the benefits of having a good time management. And also here's a graph of how can we make a good management with time. And for the last part, I just saw that a lot of students use iPads to taking notes for their course, and they are very confused which type of apps they are using. So I just put a video on introducing the Notability and the GoodNotes. So I think the videos will help them to determine which app is more useful for them, and which apps is fitted for them to make management for taking notes. So this is the whole evaluation I make for this course. I hope everyone like it.